This will be a video tutorial on how to change the default download destination in Mozilla Firefox. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have the Firefox web browser open now. To change the default download destination in Firefox, the first thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner to where you see the 3-line hamburger menu and click on that. Then you want to go down to Settings and click on Settings. Now you'll just scroll down a little bit to where you see the Files and Application area, and right here, Downloads. By default it downloads to your Downloads folder, but you can change that by clicking on Browse. And from here you can change it to Desktop. I'm going to change mine to Desktop, but you could pick any one of these folders: Downloads, Documents, Pictures, Music, Video. I'm going to put it on my desktop here. I'm going to click on Select Folder. And now you can see it has changed to Desktop. You can also check this box down here, always ask where to save the files. You could check that, and each time you download something, it will ask you where you want to save it. But that is how you change the default download destination in Firefox. Thanks for watching.